Our disaster action teams, normally receiving one call every 36 hours, saw a significant increase to a call about every half hour. Things such as wind blowing trees into the homes, flooded basements, and many things like that.
Working with the Red Cross Warming Centers was an amazing experience. I think it's kind of a unique program, especially for the Portland area.
Suddenly, we're operating a warming center for 14 days in a row.
The estate was pretty busy, pretty crowded most of the time. People, were in tears when they were coming through the doors, realizing that it was a free service. We had hot coffee, we had a place for them to sleep, they were going to be safe, their pets were going to be safe, and it was a phenomenal experience for everybody involved.
Because it actually gave me goosebumps to feel that I had a small part in the kind of effort that we